Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys so much. So today I have filmed a makeup tutorial for you guys using only drugstore products, as you can see. So what do you say? Let's get started? I don't know what that was. Okay, so I have already applied my favorite moisturizer. You guys already know I love this product. And so for my foundation, I picked up the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Liquid Foundation in the shade Ivory. And I have to tell you guys, I'm super impressed with the consistency. I love that it's super lightweight, yet it covers all my imperfections. It did not clog my pores, and it's perfect for all skin types. So if you guys use this foundation, let me know in the comment section, and also how well you like it, because it's now become my favorite drugstore foundation I have ever tried. I'm going to use the Maybelline Face Studio Master Concealer for the under eye area to hide all my imperfections and dark circles. And let me tell you guys, I'm such a fan. I have used the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline, but this one is far better with more coverage. I truly love this product. It's simply amazing. It's a Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Baking Powder. The reason I love it so much is because it has a hint of color and it controls the shine. Now, next up, we are moving to Morphe. I love this palette so much. This is the contour palette that they have, and look how pigmented it is. I love how creamy the products are, and it's just so easy to blend. Now, the purpose of highlighting and contouring is to darken the shadows of your face and bring light to the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, the center of your chin, and the center of your forehead. My quickest way to contour is to use the product and apply in a number 3 shape. And that way you get the forehead, cheekbones, and your jawline done. Next, I use the Morphe blush palette for a touch of color to my cheeks to get that radiant glow. I ended up mixing all 3 shades and it turned out so beautiful. Alright, so now we're moving to the eyes. I'll be using this Morphe eyeshadow palette called Brunch Babe number 15B. And as you can see, I'm showing you 4 shades I'll be using for today's look. Now I'm going to start with the eyeshadow called Weekend and apply it all over my eyelids as my base color. Next up, I'm using a warm pink tone over my eyelids and making sure I'm blending it all in. Now moving on to the next eyeshadow color called Squad. This one is my favorite one in the palette. It's a beautiful pink shimmer shadow, which I like to use with my fingers to apply it all over my eyelids. And now I'm going in with the eyeshadow called Whipped Cream and applying it all over my brow bone to give it a beautiful and nice highlight. Alright ladies, so now I'm going to start to contour my nose. You can use a small brush starting at your brows and draw 2 straight lines down the sides of your nose by using your bronzer. Just make sure that you blend. And now I'm just highlighting my inner corners with the shadow called Whipped Cream from the Morphe palette. Alright, so now moving on to the brows. Before applying anything, I like to start off by brushing them. This is the part that I literally hold my breath because it's such a challenge to have them both look the same. Comment below if you guys agree. These 2 e.l.f. eyebrow pencils are literally what I use every single day. I have replaced my fancy brow pencils for these 2 because number 1 is cheaper and number 2 great quality, so it's a win-win situation. Oh man, now this brow. This is the one I was referring to, that I always have a challenge matching my other brow. But thank God today was a good day and my brow decided to behave really well because they both ended up looking fabulous and matching each other. Alright, can we take a second and talk about how amazing this mascara is? This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara, and I have been using this one for over 5 years. You guys, I don't even have long lashes to begin with, but can we take a second And look at how fabulous my lashes look after applying this. Yes, I'm such a fan. Another of my go-to product is this white eyeliner from NYX. Love it. I love this Burt's Bees Beeswax Lip Balm. It's amazing. I love that tingly mint feeling it gives my lips. Oh wow, I can't believe we're almost done. Alright, so next up I'm using this beautiful NYX lip liner, applying it all over my lips. This is the most beautiful nude lip color I have ever used. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. You guys, it smells amazing. It smells like chocolate. I was so close to eating it, but then I focused and said, nah, it looks better on my lips than in my stomach. But it sure smells amazing and it looks so beautiful, doesn't it? The color is called Kitten Paw, and guys, I'll be leaving all product details and links on my description box below, so make sure to check it out. I'm going to use a tiny bit of concealer with the help of a brush to clean all the edges around my lips. Alright, so last but not least, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution's liquid highlighters and apply it all over my cheekbones to make it pop. This is my first time using it, and oh my god guys, I was so impressed by how pigmented this highlighter was. Okay, so at this point, I'm thinking I'm a highlighter addict because I couldn't stop applying highlighter all over my face. I mean, my cheekbones, my chin, my nose, it just wouldn't stop. And voila, I'm all done. Yay! Let me know how you guys like this look. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like button on this video. Please also share with me what other suggestions you have for me to film next. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your love and for your support. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum. Mwah.